option that you have for creating a timeline is called LucidPress. So I'm in my Google Drive and I'm going to say more, and I'm going to go all the way down here to LucidPress. If you don't have LucidPress, please let me know and we'll see about getting that added to your Chromebooks. I'm pretty sure you should have it. So LucidPress, if you've ever used the Microsoft Suite, LucidPress is very similar to Publisher, which is why I recommend it, because Publisher is great for creating any kind of media that you need a blank slate for. Google Docs is a little more limited as far as like where the position of your text and images go, but LucidPress allows for more freedom for that. So if I have not searched this yet, so we're going to search this together. We're going to search templates for timelines. And you can see I have a recipe timeline and I have a timeline and infographic. Both of these are super busy for me, so I'm actually going to start with a blank slate. So if I go home and I want to start from a blank document. Now obviously this is being turned in online, so the size of your document, I mean, it should be within like a normal amount, but it can be a little bigger. So if you want it to be bigger than letter size, I mean, there's all these different sizes here that will work as well. Okay, so in LucidPress, you're going to want to start by making your timeline. I don't know if you want to do boxes or if you, LucidPress just allows for a lot more flexibility if you're a very creative person. Whereas if you're going to use Adobe Spark, it's a little more controlling for that. So if I want to add text, I'm going to add a heading. I'm going to say Atomic Theory Headline, timeline. All right. Let's make that big enough for you to be able to see it. And I want it to stretch across the page. And like I said, if you need your page to be bigger, just make it bigger. That's the beauty of this being turned in online, is that you don't have to worry about printing it. So that's kind of cool. Okay. And then you want to add either a line or boxes. Remember, timelines definitely have some sort of organization to them. So if I want this to be, since this is a vertical document, I would probably rotate the line to be vertical. And then you can, I mean, since we're illustrating, you do want to add copyright-free images, and I often get my copyright-free images from a site called Pixabay, Pixabay, and they have vector graphics as well as illustrations and photos. Let's make that a little smaller. Okay, so you can see here that with this LucidPress, you're going to be doing a lot more independent editing, whereas on Adobe Spark, you're going to be using something that's more of a template. Okay, if you can't find an image, let's see what happens when we type my images. I don't think I have any images here. Oh, we can do a Bing search. Okay, let's see. Let's search for an atom. And you can just put that right there. All right. Make it however big you want it to make it, and then organize your text along with it. Again, if you're going to share this, you can publish it on the web. You can embed it in an email, on a website. In order to share it with Mrs. Gaffman, I want you to download it as either a PDF or a PNG. Okay, a PNG is going to make it a photo file. A PDF is going to make it a document file. All right, so either one of those is going to be fine. Please let me know if you have any questions. The cool thing about working online and submitting things online is that you can create links and make things interactive. So if you have like a cool website or video that you want to add to this timeline, that would be something that you could do right here in LucidPress. All right, have a great day.